Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. After General Ledger implementation, today we will be looking at how to implement accounts payable in NetSuite. So first of all, what is accounts payable? Accounts payable are amount due to vendors or suppliers for goods or services received that have not yet been paid. Okay, so we have gathered requirement for accounts payable from our client. So after gathering the requirement, we have to work on various things. So here it is. So see, for implementing accounts payable, we have to follow all these things like P2P process flow, form customization, vendor master, and all these things. Okay. So first of all, I'm showing you the basic information. So in the basic information, first you can see that our client is BISP solution, which is dealing in the business of electronics. Then location, legacy system is QuickBooks. In subsidiaries India, for which we are implementing AP, currency, then accounting period, COA and all. Okay, so first of all, I'll be showing you the P2P cycle. So in the P2P cycle, first step is to identify the needs. Okay, after identifying the needs, the next step is to create the purchase requisition. So what is purchase requisition? It is an internal document indicating the desire to purchase goods or services for the business. So who will create this? An employee fills out a purchase requisition and submits it to the appropriate individual or department for review and approve. Once the purchase requisition is approved, the business then issues a purchase order for the requested item to the appropriate vendor. PO is created by the buyer after the purchase request is approved. It is then sent to the vendor or supplier. Once the supplier delivers the goods or services, the buyer receives the goods. Then vendor send the bill. And then three-way matching is performed before making the payment to the vendor. So what is three-way matching? It is the process of verifying the PO and receipt with invoice. After that, payment made to the vendor on the basis of payment terms, and then reporting part is there. Thereafter, I customize various forms as per the requirement of client, such as purchase requisition form, purchase order, billing, payment, etc., and took sign off for the same. So I'll be showing you first that what our client was using before and what they want in NetSuite. So here is the sample format of Vendor Master. See, this is the sample format that they were using in the NetSuite. Now, sorry, they were using in the QuickBook. Now they want some extra fields in the NetSuite. So all these fields names you can see here, and I have customized the same in the NetSuite. Okay, so all these highlighted one are the mandatory fields. So let's have a look. Relationship. So here you can see this is the custom form vendor BS underscore BS. See, vendor ID, then type, company name. This is the mandatory field. See, company name, it is the mandatory one as asterisk symbol is there. So all these required fields, they have provided to me. I have customized as per the requirement. So here you can see this is the vendor master form. Okay. After this purchase requisition form. So here is the sample one, which they were using in the QuickBooks. And in NetSuite, they want some extra fields, some other fields as well. So here you can see, I have created this one as this one also. So okay. So this is the custom requisition underscore BS. This is the purchase requisition. So requested ID, reviewed by and approved by, all these things. Then form name, requisition, requester. So here you can see requester is the mandatory field, date, subsidiary. Okay. So all these fields, whatever they required, I have customized it as per their requirement. So this is about the requisition. Now PO. So this is the sample format which they were using in the QuickBooks. Okay. And in NetSuite, they want all these fields. So I have customized it as per the requirement. So let's have a look on this as well. Okay. This is the custom standard purchase order underscore BS. Now here you can see vendor name, then purchase contract, then date is the mandatory field, vendor is the mandatory field. So highlighted when are the mandatory fields. So all this I have customized it. See, okay. So this is about the PO. Then comes to the bill. So this is the bill sample format which they were using in the QuickBooks, and now they want all these fields in the NetSuite. Let's have a look. Okay. So here you can see form name, then transaction number, reference number, then vendor name, account. These are the mandatory one. See, these are the mandatory fields. So accordingly, I have customized all these fields as per the requirement in the NetSuite. So here you can see this is the bill. After billing, there is the payment. So this is the sample format which they were using in the QuickBooks, and in NetSuite they want all such fields. So I have created for them. So this is the AP account, account number, balances, date. See, date is the mandatory one, mandatory field. Okay, so accordingly I have customized this bill payment form as well. So all these are the customization. So after customizing the forms, I sent form templates to the business user to fill such form. And after getting such information, migration process takes place. Okay. So here first we have to migrate the master records such as vendor master and item master. Okay. First of all, I'll be showing you that. See, this is the vendor master record list which I got from my client. Okay. So this is the vendor master list which we have to upload into the NetSuite. We have to migrate it into the NetSuite. So for migrating, let's go to the application. Before that, you can see that this is the vendor ID, then type. Here under type, you can see that T and F is there, true or false. Means if it is individual, then in that case T is there, that is true. And if it is other than individual, suppose company or anything, then it is false. It should be false. Okay. Then this is the company name. If it is company, then company name is here. And if it is individual, so in case of individual, we have to provide the first name and last name. So here I have provided first name and last name, C, then email address, phone number, then address, then billing address and shipping address. If billing address and shipping address is same as address, so in that case, we have to provide the true, otherwise false. Then primary subsidiary, as this is BISP UK HQ, Asia, India. Then these are the payment terms. Then credit limit, tax registration number, currency, country name, then default payable account, default vendor payment account, then vendor tolerances, default vendor payment account, vendor quantity tolerance. So these are the tolerances. Okay, now we have to upload this vendor master list into the NetSuite application. For that, so we got this data in CSV format, and we have to upload this in the CSV format as well. So here import type is transaction. Sorry, this is the relationship. Under relationship, here vendors. Okay, then select the file from here. Vendor list. Next. So here we are adding this for the first time. So I'm selecting add here, then advanced option. In the advanced option, here we have to select the custom form. So I have customized this one form, this form, that is custom form vendor underscore BS. Okay, so I have selected my custom form. Now click on next. Now here we have to map this fields. Okay. So first of all, vendor ID. Type. Then address. External ID. So map this one. Then address. This is the address. Then default billing and default shipping. Tax registration number. Okay. Now country, then tax registration number. Map this with this. So all these are the Excel sheet fields and these are the NetSuite fields. So we are mapping this both field. Okay, then billing address and shipping address. Vendor address. So first address, then default billing address, shipping address, okay. Now next, okay, vendor name, some error is there, go back. Okay, import, relationship, vendors, select the file, vendor list, next, next. Now here we have to map all these fields. Or select the external ID. So map this external ID with this vendor ID, then address. Address, default billing and default shipping address. Let's map this country with this country here, and tax registration number. So here it is, tax registration number. Let's map this one with this tax registration number, then address. So here is the address, billing address, then shipping address. Okay, now next. It is not mapped. Next. Now give the import name here, like vendor master. Save and run. It is finished. Let's open this one, import job status. Refresh this. So here you can see 26 of 31 records imported successfully. It means 5 records are not uploaded. Let's see this CSV response. Open this one. Invalid terms, reference key 2%, net 30 days, net 30. Okay, so we have to re-upload this, all these 5 records. by doing correction here. Okay, so this is the payment terms. So let's select the, as here the error is like invalid reference payment terms. So copy this 2% and let's paste here. Okay, this is the same one. Now 3%. Go back. Okay, and for these things we have to map there. So let's save this file and re-upload it. Setup, import, export, and let's use this one. Save CSV report, import. Select the file. Next. Next. First name. This first name with this one. Last name, last name. Okay, now let's upload this. Save and run. Yes. Two of 5 records imported successfully. Let's see the CSV response. Okay, so there is some problem with this individual vendor records. Okay. So we'll do one thing, that we'll remove this company name from here. Now all these 3 records are individual records. Okay. Now let's try to re-upload this. there is some problem. Let's do once again. So the same problem is there. Here, let's take individual and see. Select file. So I will do one thing, that I will re-upload this later. These 3 records are there. Okay, now I'll be showing you how to import the item records. So here you can see this is the error log file, that is enter the company name. So I will correct it and I will re-upload this later. Now I'll be showing you how to import the item master. So here is the item master file. I'll be showing you just a second. Item record. So here you can see item name, then display item name, unit type, whether it is number or each, then subsidiary as it is for Asia, India, then location, then purchase price of this item and tax schedule. Okay, now let's upload this one. Import CSV record. Items. As we are uploading item, and here inventory item. Select the file. Item record. Next. Yeah, this is the custom form which I created for the items. So here we have to map these fields. So item name or number. So here it is, item name or code. Then display name or code is this one. Okay, so all these fields are mapped. These are the NetSuite fields and these are our Excel field, CSV format fields. So we have mapped all these fields. Now next. Item master. Save and run. Items. Inventory item. Select the file. So all the fields are mapped. Now next. Save and run. Okay. Import job status. Refresh. Okay, our file is already imported here. You can see 445. Okay. Let's have a look on what we have imported. Vendor master as well as item master. First, have a look on this vendor master list. And here I am opening the item master. See, these are the item master. Item records. So here you can see mobile 1000, GST, GST underscore I 18%. Okay. Let's open any one of the item. Let's open this one. View. So here you can see internal ID, item name and number, display name code, then unit type, it is number. See, then subsidiary, BISP UK HQ Asia India. Okay, then we have provided the purchase price. So here you can see purchase price 18,000. And under financial, under accounting, you can see that GST underscore 18%, underscore I underscore 18%. Okay, so this is how our inventory item has been imported successfully. See, up to 1038, 1038, 1000 to 1038. Okay, so all this inventory item master has been uploaded. Now let's view the vendor master. Okay, these are the vendor records. So these are uploaded. Let's open any one of this. Say this Sitaraman. View it. So this is our vendor master record list. So Sitaraman, see, this is the Sitaraman. This is the company, then company name Sitaraman Limited. The company name, then Gmail address, sorry, email address, phone number, primary subsidiary. Now come to the financial tab, sub-tab. Now here you can see this tax registration number of this company, then credit limit. See, this is the credit limit. Then vendor bill matching. So here you can see tolerances are given here. Okay. So all this have been successfully implemented. Only that 3 records are pending, which I'll be uploading that as well. After looking into that, what was the error? So this is how we migrate the vendor. So today we have migrated the vendor master and item master into the NetSuite application. In our next video, we are going to migrate the PO data, then receipt, bill, payment, and also we are going to see there the tickets. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.